How to fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers. The first thing that you need to do is check EA's server status. Visit EA's official help page or known server status trackers to confirm if there's an outage or maintenance outgoing. This error typically means that EA is having problems with their server, so before you do anything on your end, first check if it's their fault. Second, if their servers are running fine, restart your network devices, power cycle your router and modem, unplug both for about 2 minutes and then reconnect and try relaunching the game. If that doesn't work, open up your CMD as an administrator and clear DNS. Simply type in ipconfig/release, ipconfig/flush-dns, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. What this will do is it will flush your DNS and it will refresh your network settings. Then restart your PC. If that doesn't work, try switching DNS servers. Go to this arrow up right here, right click your internet and open network internet settings. Then go to change adapter options. Let's right click here, Ethernet, go to properties, double click Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following DNS server addresses and go 88888844 and then click OK. And the last possible fix is to repair your game files and clear cache. In the EA app, use the repair option for Battlefield 6. In Steam, use verify integrity of game files. And to clear app cache, you go to App Data, Local, Electronic Arts, EA Desktop, and Cache. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.